Oliver Mtukudzi's most soothing song ever. So the song's name is Mbabvu yangu, and the parent chords for the intro are C, E minor, and then A minor. If we expand those chords, it will be like C at 9, E minor 7, and then A minor. And then now the parent chords for when he starts singing are D minor, and then G, and then E minor, A minor. If we expand those chords, D minor 9, G6, and then E minor 7, normal A minor. Okay, great. And again, in Africa, we don't play chords strumming like that. We break them down into arpeggios and make nice melodies out of it. So this is how he's playing the C, starting from the 5th string. Remember, counting from the bottom, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now fret numbers are 0, 2, 3, right? After that, the string numbers he plays after that is 6, 5, 4, 3. So from top it's like, and see, I'm just using one finger there. And then after that, you replace this finger with this one on the 2nd fret, and then play string numbers 5, 6, 5, 4, 3, like that, right? So from top it would be like, and then after that it's A minor, played string numbers 4, 6, 5, 4, 3. So that was just the intro. Let's go to the verse now, starting with that D minor 9, which you hold like this, almost like the F major 7, but without that finger there. And then this side, you pluck string numbers 2 and 3 without holding anything, and then hold that D minor 9. So it will be like a hammer on. So it's like, right? So after you do that, string numbers 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. So it's like, on to the G6 now. So it's almost like a normal G, except you're not holding the high E string. You are putting the finger on the 2nd string right there. And then you play string numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2. But then when you hold the 2 a 2nd time, you remove this finger there. So it will be like 4, and then remove finger, and then play the 2 again, right? After that, you play 6, 5. So just the G6 is like this. That's how he's playing the G6. And then after that, it's the E minor 7, which you don't even have to hold anything here. It's like, and those are string numbers 6, 3, 2. And then we go to the A minor, which you pluck without holding and then hold after that. So it's a hammer on, so that you have that sound. And then after that, 3rd string. That's the whole thing. And I know it's difficult to just grasp everything on one video like this. So if you want private lessons over WhatsApp, where I send you a bunch of videos, put it down in the comments or send a direct message. And I promised till the end of July, so only experienced guitarists I'll teach you for free. But if you're a beginner, from August you will have to be paying, so that I can buy myself some chocolates and stuff.